over my lemon. We just want to cover it just until it reaches almost the top. You can cover it completely if you want, but otherwise it's not a big deal. I'm going to place these over here to set, and I have two that I've already done. I'll bring them here. You can see our lemons are trapped inside, and now we're going to take them out. Start by pressing down. You can see our lemon is trapped inside, and the same with this one, and it slides right out. So now we have our lemons. This, you can see that. I'm going to start by cutting my lemon. You just want to trace right around the top, and we're just going to pull that up. Now we're just going to stretch our Jell-O, pull that away from our lemon. I'm just going to press it on the bottom, and we'll start by the smaller end of the lemon. I'm just going to pop that right out. Once it gets enough, we can pull it. There we go. And we have our lemon mold. You can see that, see the inside. Now we're going to work on our chocolate, and I'm going to just pour in some yellow powder. This is special food coloring for chocolate. I'm just going to give that a stir. I want to get that nice mixed in there. I'm going to take my white chocolate. I'm going to pour this into my lemon mold. And now we're just going to move that around. Just want it to coat the inside of the mold. Just kind of turn it like this. And we're going to carefully unmold our chocolate. So it's the same concept as when we took out the lemon. We're going to start with the flatter end, and we're going to slowly pop that out. Up from the bottom, and carefully we'll wiggle that out. There you go, you have a lemon. I'm going to come over here. I have some lemon Jell-O that I've just prepared in the traditional way with some boiling water. I've had a little cold water, and we've let it sit for a moment. Mixing that in with my whipped cream and my Philadelphia cream cheese. We're just going to cut the end off our piping bag, and we'll come over here and fill up our lemon. You want to leave a little space. Can't have cheesecake without graham cracker crust. Got my graham crackers here. I'm just going to beat them to smithereens. And I'm going to come pour that into my caramelized white chocolate. Nothing could be simpler than caramelized white chocolate. You just take some white chocolate, place it into an oven on low heat, and you just want to stir it from time to time. Now I'm going to fill my lemons with my graham cracker crust. And putting it in the caramelized white chocolate is going to keep the crust from getting soggy. No soggy crust. And now we're going to sprinkle on some sugar. Just going to cover them nicely with the sugar here. And I'm just going to come and take a hot spoon, and we're going to just press that onto our sugar. Okay, now we'll do our last one. There we go. We'll set that to the side, and we're going to start removing our caramels. We'll place those here on our plate. Put them right up. And I'm going to come back with my knife, and we're just going to start cutting into our lemon like this. We're going to cut the inside out. Now we're just going to finish cutting out the center of our lemon. Bring it over to our bowl. We're just going to scoop that inside right out, and we'll use this in just a few minutes. We'll place it here on our plate, and I'm going to come fill it with my lemon cream pie filling. Pull this all the way to the top, and we're going to top that with our whipped cream. We'll add some lime zest for a nice burst of color and a little bit of flavor. And we're going to place our little tops on, and we'll take this to chill. Now we're going to place these into the refrigerator to chill for about 30 minutes. I'm going to take my lemonade. Okay, now I'm going to come, you can see this part at the bottom. We're going to pour our yellow chocolate, and we're just going to turn it all the sides when you get it all the way to the top. Just like this. The bottom as well. Go back to this side. And now we're just going to let it set for a minute. Place that to the side. And now we're going to come back with our white chocolate, and we're just going to pour that on the other side complete our cup. And just like the first one, we're just going to turn that around and coat the whole inside of our cup. And now we're going to leave this to set, but I have one that I've already prepared here. And we'll just slide that one right out. As you can see, it slides right out of the container. And I'm going to come with the top of my lemon, still has a little bit of the pulp left in it. And we're just going to wipe that around the edges here, get a little bit of lemon juice on there. And we're going to come place it into our bowl with some sugar and some lime zest. And this you can make in advance. Have this ready. And we'll place it here with the others. We're going to start by placing a couple ice cubes into our shaker. We're going to pour in some of our lemonade. And we're going to come add in a little bit of vodka, and this one I've infused with lemon zest. Now we're going to place our lid on and we're going to give that a shake. Now it's time to serve. We're going to place some crushed ice into our cups. And now we'll just pour that in.